In this recording, we want to talk about the security risks associated with the file transfer on Unix, Linux, and the solution. As you can see on the web page, when you have a file transfer task which needs operation staff to do periodically, you need to think of the security risks created by this task. First, the password or passphrase security. When a person is using SFTP to do the file transfer, and when keying the password or passphrase for authentication, the password or passphrase can be stolen by another person on the same machine with the same account or root account using system call tracer such as Trust, or using dtrace on Solaris, or using Trojan horse when having root privilege. Second, the safety of the account on remote server. When a person can transfer file to remote server through that remote account, that person is also able to easily set up a security trap for the remote account, such that when another person logs onto that remote server using that remote account, false transactions could be added into database. If that server runs a database and that account is a DBA account, for example. Third, the security of sensitive info contained in the file. For example, if the file contains the bank account info of the bank customer, right? Bank customers, the person who does the file transfer job is able to save a copy of the file for his own malicious purpose. So these are three security risks associated with the file transfer on Unix or Linux. And if the remote machine is critical, you need to consider this very carefully. And only WZIS Software has the solution. Let's see a demo. On this Red Hat Linux machine, we set up a job, FTP job. As you can see, it's we called SFTP job 1. Inside, we use our auto SFTP to transfer this file to the remote machine x86, and using the remote account name called utest, they will be transferred to the home directory of the utest on the remote machine. And this one is a secret file. It contains sensitive information, and this is the file here, so it's only read-writable by the user, TU. And this one is we assume it's an operation account. And if you check, we have the Cache Manager set up here from TU. If you check this using this command, you can see the TU has granted permission for this account, operation account, to run this script using TU's privilege. So now we can use the Cache Manager to run the command. job 1 to transfer the file to the remote machine. Okay, you can see it's uploading the secret to the remote /u/test, because that's the home directory of the u-test on the remote server. Though this operation account can do the file transfer, but this account, right, you cannot do file transfer for another file. For example, you cannot use that script to do file transfer for another file, because that's a script. Here you can see the script, right, is only doing the transfer for this file to this machine using this account to this directory. So using this way, right, the operation account can't see what's in the file which transferred. For example, if you know the file name, right, if you try to cat permission denied, this user doesn't have permission to read that file, even doesn't have permission to see the content of a script is run. So this is a very, very secure way for the operation staff to do the job, but are not doing any other things. So use our product, your system, your environment will be much, much more secure.